Here are some ways to make dua. Number one, in your sujood, when you are in salat in sujood, after your prayers, sit down and make dua. In the nights, get up and make dua. While doing a good deed, you're doing a good deed, make dua. Like what Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail did. When Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail were building the Kaaba, they would make dua as they're building it. So as you're doing a good deed, make dua, and the dua will inshallah be more likely to be accepted. In any language you like. It doesn't have to be in Arabic. You can make your dua. Some people say to me, but in my salat, do I have to make dua in Arabic? I say to you, the scholars said that in the compulsory prayer, stick to the Arabic ones that you've learned from the Prophet ﷺ, and in your sunnah and nafil prayers, you can do your dua in English. And that is the correct opinion, inshallah. Otherwise, you can make your dua in any language you want. In fact, the dua has to come out from your own heart. So even if you make a dua in the way that you know, like you might be sitting there and saying, oh Allah, I don't know what it is, but there's something I'm not feeling right about this, Ya Allah. I don't know what to ask for, but just whatever is good within your mercy. That's it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows exactly what you need.